What is up, guys? It's W and Prestige Worldwide. We're up late on a Sunday night, but it's because we are ripping some absolute heat coming out of some Chronicles baseball for Kent. And Jack says, get me in on the action. I want some Illusions football. Jack, hey man, best of luck tonight. Pick box number 3. I was going to say 3 as well. Kent says, pick 3, my lord. Throw it in there. Let's see what we can't pull. We're going to go pack by pack. Best of luck, Jack. Zach Moss. T. Higgins, nice rookie out of Cincinnati. And a Living Legends, Jerry Rice. Living Legends, Jerry Rice. Nice little insert there. McCaffrey and Alvin Kamara on the base. So a T. Higgins to start off. T. Higgins to start things off on that rookie. We'll move the base to the front. Julio Jones, T.J. Watt. We got a Darrington Evans rookie and a rookie Gabriel Davis. Insert number to 99. That's a start there for you for Buffalo. 87 out of 99. Gabriel Davis. Nice stuff there. And a Clear Shots DK Metcalf. Clear Shots DK Metcalf. Von Jefferson on the rookie. Dalvin Cook to 399. Christian McCaffrey on the Shining Stars. Nice Shining Stars red, numbered 4 out of 149. 4 out of 149. Drew Lock and James Conner. A.J. Dillon there on the top. Let's move our veteran to the front. Dak Prescott and Derrick Henry on the base. A.J. Dillon on the rookie. And it's Brandon Ayuk. A nice single color relic to start off your hits. Brandon Ayuk. Can't complain with that. San Francisco 49ers. Nice hit there for you. Congrats on that one, Jack. Bring the flames. Brandon Ayuk. Wow. Peyton Manning on the astounding Colts insert. That is crazy. Love that card. Peyton Manning, a legend. And you're absolutely right. Autos still to come. And on top of that, that beloved encased auto. Gardner Minshew and Roquan Smith are your base. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Nice rookie there. Kenyon Drake, numbered to 399. And there's another living legend on the blue variation, Aaron Rodgers. Number 228 out of 299. Aaron Rodgers. Living Legends insert. These autos are heavy and weighted on the bottom. I'm hoping that means that we pull something filthy for you. We got something coming up here. Dalvin Cook and Von Miller are your base. Chenault Jr. is your rookie. And we have ourselves a big instant impact of K.J. Hamler. K.J. Hamler. Instant impact. Like that. Denver and a Drew Brees Shining Stars. Not numbered, but nice little insert there. Drew Brees. These autos, heavy at the end, are insane, bro. Craziness that they're sticking toward the end. Keeping the anticipation rolling. Marvin Jones and Cam Newton on your base. There's your Hamler rookie again. And wouldn't you know it, Jack? Wouldn't you know it, Jack? Joe Burrow 431 out of 499 on that rookie variation to 499 Joe Burrow, baby. Let's go, Jack. Nice stuff, man. To 499 Joey B. And then a Mystique Jalen Hurts? Are you kidding me? Let's go. Jalen Hurts rookie Mystique. And we've still yet to see ink, dude. The autos. 3 autographs per box on average and 1 encased auto. I think we got ink coming up here. Chris Carson and Keenan Allen on the base. Cole Kmet. Ooh, I'm loving this next card. Cole Kmet rookie. Superlatives. Cleveland Browns. 50 out of 50. The tight end, Austin Hooper. There's your first auto. And it is a current veteran. Gotta like that, man. Kid is a solid tight end. As a Browns fan, I'm loving that card, man. That is awesome. 50 out of 50. eBay 101, right? Living Legends, Dan Marino. Dan Marino on your insert there. 2 packs left. Still waiting on 2 autos, right? Oh, I think we got a sick one coming. Tyreek Hill and Richard Sherman. Clyde Edwards-Helaire on the rookie from Kansas City. And we have a rookie patch auto, or not a rookie patch auto, excuse me, the immortalized tight end auto from the Las Vegas Chargers, 17 out of 50, Antonio Gates. No, wait till you see the next card, bro. Wait till you see it. I'm sure you can see the hint from the bottom right there. Joe Burrow, astounding variation for the Cincinnati Bengals, 181 out of 399, Joe Burrow. Jack, that is a sick hit. That is a sick hit. Wow. Come on. Give us the auto. Don't short us here, Panini. Don't you short my man, Jack. There's a Burrow on top, bro. There's a freaking Burrow on top. How does it not stop for you? Stephon Gilmore and DK Metcalf. And there he is right on top. Joe Burrow. Another Joe Burrow rookie. When you said box 3, were you meaning 3 Joe Burrow rookies? That's insane. Julian Edelman to 499. And a Tom Brady Shining Stars? Wow, what a hit. Panini, short my man Jack and auto, but I'm hoping that means that this right here of our encased auto is going to be crazy. I'm hoping that means this right here is crazy. Come on, Jack. Big hit for my man. It's being a tough guy pack. Doesn't want to be ripped. Jack, it's massive. Jack, it's huge. This is a big hit. Wow. Wow. For the Pittsburgh Steelers, the rookie endorsement of the huge, big wideout, Chase Claypool. If you think this kid's had a pretty solid year, the sky's the limit for this kid. This is a huge pull. Rookie Chase Claypool, 77 out of 150, and that is a filthy auto. Jack, congrats, man. Oh, 3 Joe Burrows. You said, give me box 3, and there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. The $4.99 variation, your base, and the astounding Joe Burrow to $3.99, along with that Chase Claypool, Tom Brady or immortalized Gates, Austin Hooper, and some filthy instant impact relics with KJ Hamler and Brandon Ayuk. Congrats on that personal box, Jack. Appreciate you breaking with us. That's awesome stuff, man.